The Lamborghini Huracán is a perfect embodiment of style, power, and precision, representing the pinnacle of Italian supercar engineering. Launched in 2014 as the successor to the Gallardo, the Huracán has continued to push the boundaries of performance while offering a blend of modern technology and timeless design. Named after a legendary Spanish fighting bull, the Huracán delivers a driving experience that is both ferocious and exhilarating, making it one of the most sought-after supercars in the world. At the heart of the Huracán lies a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers raw power and an intoxicating exhaust note. The engine produces between 580 and 640 horsepower, depending on the variant, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in as little as 2.5 seconds. This immense power is channeled through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides lightning-fast gear shifts with seamless precision. Whether on a racetrack or an open road, the Huracán offers breathtaking speed and a top speed exceeding 200 mph, putting it in the upper echelon of modern supercars. The design of the Lamborghini Huracán is unmistakably bold and aerodynamic, staying true to the brand's aggressive design language. Its sharp angles, sculpted lines, and wide, low stance give it an imposing presence. The Y-shaped LED headlights and the hexagonal air intakes are signature elements that enhance its futuristic yet functional design. The rear end features a diffuser and dual exhaust outlets that not only contribute to its aesthetics, but also improve aerodynamic efficiency and downforce. Every curve and contour of the Huracán serves a purpose, ensuring maximum stability and control even at blistering speeds. Inside, the Huracán is as much about luxury as it is about performance. The cabin is designed to immerse the driver in a cockpit-like environment, featuring premium materials such as Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber. The center console, inspired by a fighter jet, houses an array of controls and switches, including the dramatic red flip-up ignition button cover that adds to the thrill of starting the engine. A fully digital 12.3-inch TFT instrument cluster provides the driver with essential information such as speed, revs, navigation, and multimedia settings, while the Lamborghini infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity and entertainment. Despite being a high-performance supercar, the Huracán does not compromise on comfort, offering excellent ergonomics and a driver-face layout. The driving dynamics of the Lamborghini Huracán are a testament to its advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology. Equipped with the Anima Adaptive Network Intelligent Management system, the Huracán offers multiple driving modes to suit different conditions. Strada mode ensures a smooth and comfortable driving experience for everyday use, while Sport mode delivers a more playful and dynamic performance with a focus on excitement. For those seeking maximum performance, Corsa mode sharpens the car's throttle response, tightens the suspension, and optimizes the all-wheel drive system for track-faced precision. The advanced magnetorological suspension system and dynamic steering further enhance agility, ensuring the car remains planted and responsive even during aggressive cornering. Over the years, Lamborghini has introduced several variants of the Huracán, each designed to cater to different driving preferences. The Performante version redefined performance with its innovative active aerodynamic system, helping it set lap records on some of the world's most challenging tracks. The Evo introduced upgraded dynamics and an advanced LDVA, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system, which predicts driver behavior to optimize performance. For purists, the rear-wheel drive variants of the Huracán offer a more engaging and raw driving experience, emphasizing drivers' skill and control. Meanwhile, the Huracán STOO, Super Trofeo Molagat, takes inspiration from Lamborghini's racing heritage, offering a lightweight, track-faced machine that is as close to a race car as a road car can get. The Lamborghini Huracán is not just a car. It is a symbol of prestige, passion, and performance. It appeals to those who crave adrenaline-fueled experiences, delivering power and precision in a way that few other cars can. the combination of its naturally aspirated V10 engine, striking design ensures it stands out in the competitive world of supercars. Whether roaring down a highway, carving through mountain roads, or dominating a racetrack, the Huracán delivers a visceral driving experience that is both unforgettable and unmatched. As Lamborghini continues to innovate and evolve, the Huracán remains a shining example of what happens when performance and artistry come together in perfect harmony.